This tutorial shows you how to enable and customize the accessibility shortcut. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Following that, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Now, scroll down and tap on Assistant menu or Accessibility button. Moving forward, toggle on the switch to enable it. Afterwards, an accessibility button will appear on your navigation bar at the bottom. In addition to that, tap on Settings or Customize to adjust what appears in the menu. Once there, you can select shortcuts like Screenshot, Volume, Lock Screen, or other accessibility features. Subsequently, check or uncheck options based on what you want quick access to. Moreover, you can rearrange items by dragging them up or down. Afterwards, tap Done or Back to save your customization. Then, tap the accessibility button on your navbar anytime to access these quick shortcuts. And that's it. If this accessibility customization guide helped you navigate easier, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.